Previously on Ecstatic Noise.
We just got in.
Listen. Room 144.
What? I'm with you. If the body loses a leg, it can't walk. If it loses an eye, it can't see. You're new to the house. You're not in danger.
You're both so fucking tough. Let me go, motherfuckers. They saw him hiding the pills.
Take the elevator to the 11th floor. Don't take the pills.
Hello, man. You ever tried this music with a Mitsubishi?
I hate this music. I hate you people. I hate you, Armin.
The body is not one member, but many. If the body loses a leg, it can't walk. If it loses a hand, it can't write. If it loses an eye, it can't see.
Jack gave up his freedom for all of us. But his sacrifice was not in vain. He discovered something very important. We cannot defeat Armin by ourselves, but we can turn everyone else against him.
Once more. Building up our hopes, huh? There you go. I am so fucking sick of hearing that. I'm sorry you lost your boyfriend, sweetheart. I really am. You want to know something? I envy Jack. Oh yeah, I do. The body is not one member if the body loses. I mean, fuck that! Now look at us! Look at us! Take a real hard look at yourselves. Go on! Excuse me. This fucking hell.
You think you hate all this stuff. But that's not true. Actually, you love it. You just have to discover it by yourself. And I'm gonna help you.
Sooner or later, we will all be discovered. That's it. So I guess, as I see it, it's better to love Armin and all this shit than to live in our current condition. Don't you think, sweetheart? Huh? And let me tell you something. Oh yeah, real close like that, huh? Jack probably wanted to get caught.
How can you even think that shit?
Oh, a clear conscience, sweetie. If you can't remember anything, you can't betray the community, now can you?
You motherfucker.
Anybody see you? No? Well, that's good then, huh? All right, come here. So right here. There you go.
How did you find out about the International House?
I did a search on the web for a place to stay.
Oh, bullshit! This is all bullshit!
They know how to lie. Let me explain to you where you really are.
No. No. Please, no. You're gonna love me.
It's all about the drugs. Nobody could stand this music without taking the pills. Matthew, could you tell us what this pill is?
It's ecstasy, obviously.
Now, what would happen if that pill had no effect at all?
They would find the music annoying.
That's exactly what Jack had been working on for the past 2 months. Now, tomorrow night, I want all of you to switch everyone's pills.
Okay, that's impossible. All right, now let me tell you why. Armin would see it. All right, he has eyes everywhere, and he suspects everybody.
I don't think there's any way this would work.
That's right.
That's
Right.
Not everybody.
Not everybody is suspicious to him.
Whoa. Huh. Wait a minute, guys. Look, nice to meet you, but I have enough trouble in my life as it is. I've got a girlfriend.
You're the only one who can do it. You can play the innocent.
Oh, I see. I'm the one all of a sudden. You know, I'm the one who's leaving this place.
I'm not gonna let you go. You can't face the gorillas downstairs by yourself.
We'll see about that, all right? All right, ciao.
Matthew! We need you.
Okay. All right, who's gonna show me exactly what to do? Have you heard of DJ Speedy before?
You are not supposed to be here.
Did you say DJ Speedy? Why did you ask me that?
Look, I'm sorry to bother you, all right?
Why the fuck did you ask me that?
Look, I think he's awesome. I was gonna bring you his latest track. Everybody in Berlin is talking about this guy. They say he is the best DJ.
How dare you?